Bring LACMA to your school campus. Apply today to have the Ancient World Mobile or Maya Mobile at your school this year. Through our program, students will create unique art, as well as handle and analyze authentic art objects from LACMA's collections.
With this program, students will be able to create personal connections to the cultures of the early world and the Ancestral Americas. This program is free for any Title I school. We require a space on your campus for the truck to park during its residency, as well as a vacant classroom for our object handling components. More information can be found at lacma.org.